All right, to reset network settings on your Motorola, Pixel, or other stock Android phone, we're going to go to Settings, then scroll down to System. In the System menu, scroll all the way down and you'll see Reset Options. Here you can reset either your mobile network settings or your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings, or both. If you're resetting mobile network settings, it'll separately ask if you want to erase eSIMs, and once you choose whether you want to clear eSIMs or not, you just confirm with your PIN and proceed to reset. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth reset is a little more straightforward. Just a simple tap to confirm you want to reset, and you're all set. This will reset things like your saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, paired Bluetooth devices like earbuds or car sync, and even saved VPN profiles and custom DNS settings. It's not going to delete any apps, photos, or data. Everything else stays exactly the same, besides your network settings getting reset. That's it. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all.